Quite a tricky one, this. It involves a couple of things, and you can do it different ways. It says a quarter of the children chose chicken soup, 4 times chose tomato soup, chose mushroom soup, and we need an angle, so we're looking at degrees in the end. Think of your pie chart. If a quarter of the children chose chicken soup, that's an angle of 90 degrees. Chicken. So that actually leaves us with 270 degrees to split between tomato soup and mushroom soup. So it's approximately 270, so it's approximately that sort of angle. It's a big reflex angle. There's a ratio here though, isn't there? Because if 4 times as many chose tomato as chose mushroom, the ratio of tomato, or tom, to mushroom, or mush, is 4:1. So you would need to split it into 5 parts. 4 to tomatoes and 1 to mushroom. So, if we work out the remaining degrees, well, we know 90 degrees is in our pie chart representing chicken, because that's a quarter. Then there's 270 degrees, which represents tomatoes and mushrooms, or soup. Therefore, if we divide 270 by 5, we'll find the 5 parts, and we know that 4 of them are going to be tomato soup. So 270 divided by 5 is 54, and 4 of those, 4 lots of 54, are tomato soup. So that gives us 216 degrees, which represents tomato soup. That is the angle representing tomato soup.